Just running it out of gas now. It just finished its last cut. 27 years old. This month, as a matter of fact. Gonna run it out of gas and throw it away. That's it. That's all it's ever gonna say again. It was pretty loud. It was pretty beat up. The tires were gone. The engine pull cord gone. Couldn't even wrap it anymore with a rope to pull it. Had to start it with a drill motor on high speed. The shroud had rusted away and been patched. The blade had been warped many times by hitting things and straightened out. It ran out of oil one time completely, smoked. I refilled it with oil and started it up again right away. 27 years. Look at this. It's the Briggs & Stratton motor. This came, I believe, from Safeway as a housewarming gift from my parents. Let's kick it over. Hold on. Oh, there it is. The original blade. That's it.